Hey everyone, today we will see how to create a simple trailer like this in Camtasia Software for your YouTube channel. To do so, you need to go to the Assets library, and then from there go to the Intros folder, and from here you can choose any type of template that you want. We simply click this one and drag and drop to the timeline. And after that, what you need to do is to edit the title and also the subtitle for your template. In here we simply say the demo, and also for the subtitle we say it is a demo subtitle, and also you can change the color for your template, but we simply leave it as it is and save the changes. And also you can play and check what has been done, check how it displays, and after that go to the share, and from share you can save it to your local drive, or you can directly upload this video to your YouTube channel.